this is actually another application of potentiometer. So in this application, see what we are doing actually in this application. This is actually to find out the internal resistance of a cell, internal resistance of a cell. So the lower part, the primary part is same, okay, as it is. That is, this is an EMF E dash, which is connected with a wire AB, okay, with a key K dash, suppose, and the key is closed actually. So what will happen? A current will flow. So therefore, a potential difference will be AB, will be across AB, and therefore there will be a potential gradient will be there in that wire. So now this is the EMF E, and which is connected with external resistor R and with a key. So now when the key, this key K is open, at that time what will happen? This external resistor is actually has no part. Okay, when this key is E dash is the E dash is the supply. E dash is the supply EMF. E dash is the supply EMF. Unknown is always connected with the galvanometer. Keep that thing in mind. Okay. Unknown is always connected with the galvanometer. The EMF which is connected with the galvanometer, that is actually the unknown. So therefore, now when this key, look at the circuit, when this key is open, at that time this R has no effect. So therefore, this E will be now, suppose balanced. This E is actually suppose balanced at a particular length L, suppose. This E is balanced at a particular length L, suppose. This E is balanced at a length L. Okay. So therefore, what we can write? We can write E is proportional to L. Fine. So now if the key is closed, so when the key is closed, therefore what will happen? A current will flow through this small circuit. So therefore there will be a potential difference across this R, and that potential difference is actually called the terminal potential difference. Okay, that potential difference will be the terminal potential difference. That is suppose Vt, terminal potential difference. So now the EMF is actually reduced to Vt, because when the current is flowing through the cell, therefore an internal resistance, internal voltage will be dropped across the cell, within the cell. So therefore when this key is closed, what will happen? A current will flow through this circuit. So therefore a potential difference there across this external resistor, and that potential term. So now the EMF is becoming the terminal voltage, because now the voltage across the cell will be the terminal voltage. Okay, it is not any more EMF. Now it is become the terminal voltage. So therefore, due to the terminal voltage, what will happen? The null point length will be reduced. Suppose this is L dash, because we all know the terminal voltage. We all know the terminal voltage is actually less than EMF, is it not? Because E minus internal EMF or internal voltage, EMF minus internal voltage will be equal to the terminal voltage. Okay, so therefore terminal voltage is always less than EMF, is it not? Because EMF is the work done to flow unit charge outside as well as inside. So therefore the terminal voltage is actually the work done to the output circuit or the external resistor. So therefore work done to the external resistor and the sum of the work done. So therefore actually the Vt is less than E. So if Vt is less than E, therefore the length which is so the null point length for Vt is also less. So therefore Vt will be proportional to L dash, suppose. So again, if you make them a ratio 1 divided by 2, what we can write? E divided by Vt, that will be equal to L by L dash. Can we write? L by L dash. So now see, we know that small r is equal to capital R E by Vt E by Vt minus 1. Remember that we have derived internal resistance equal to external resistance E by Vt minus 1. So therefore simply put the value E by Vt is L by L dash. So it will be L dash minus 1, that is equal to the internal resistance. Okay. So this is the method which we can apply for the measurement of the internal resistance. Okay. That means once we have to open the key, okay, the key which is connected parallel to the EMF, unknown EMF. So if you open the key, then the EMF becomes EMF E, then we will get a null point. And when we close the key, then the EMF becomes terminal voltage. So therefore another length we will get, that is L dash. So Vt proportional to L dash. Now just simply ratio करके उसको हमको that we have to put.